Good evening, this is Shahili Ghosh, and you're watching Island News. Today's news headlines. Corona update of Andaman and Nicobar Island as per latest available report of yesterday. New cases 13, 14 recovered. Active cases 70. Death case in last 24 hours 0. Total death case 61. Sri Ajay Bairagi, State President Bharatiya Janata Party Andaman and Nicobar Islands, has written a letter to Sri Prahlad Singh Patel, Minister of Tourism, Government of India, Lieutenant Governor of Andaman and Nicobar Islands, Secretary Tourism, Andaman and Nicobar Administration, Deputy Commissioner North and Middle Andaman, requesting them to reopen the tourism sector in North and Middle Andaman district. Sri Ajay Bairagi in his letter has explained to the dignitaries that tourism sector is the second largest employment provider in Andaman and Nicobar Islands after the government. He has further mentioned that because of COVID-19 pandemic and the subsequent lockdown, the tourism activities in the entire Andaman and Nicobar Islands were suspended. The stakeholders of tourism industry has not choice except to wait for the situation to improve. The announcement of lockdown by the government of India, even with restriction, brought great relief for the stakeholders of tourism industry. He further mentioned that the tourism activities in South Andaman has resumed with brought great relief for the stakeholders, but in North and Middle Andaman, tourism activities are still restricted. He further explained that it's almost a year since the tourism activities are restricted in Nicobar and Middle Andaman, and the stakeholders are in great mental and financial stress and keeping the ban on the tourism in the district, which only increases their issues. He requested the authorities to look into the issues and do the needful for reopening of tourism in North and Middle Andaman district as per the unlock guidelines of Government of India. The Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs Government of India has launched PM Street Vendors Atmanirbhar Nidhi to facilitate microcredit loan up to rupees 10,000 to the street vendors so that they can start their business, which was adversely affected during the lockdown imposes to check spread of COVID-19 pandemic. The eligibility criteria to get benefit under PM SVA Nidhi is as he or she aged shall not less than 14. He or she is having no other means of livelihood and he or she is a vendor on or before 24th March 2020. The Port Blair Municipal Council will conduct a special camp, receive applications from the eligible street vendors for receiving benefits of PMSVA Nidhi scheme as per the below mentioned schedule. The registration process is an important aspect of the district revenue administration. To achieve transparency and accountability in the system, the district administration has been registering deeds through an online process. However, it has come to notice that the applicants are submitting incomplete documents for registration and the cases are reverted because for making necessary connections, thereby causing further delay in the whole process. As such, it is requested to the general public to carefully upload the correct and necessary documents as per requirement in full space such as Form F, sketch map, correct valuation, deed documents, etc., so that the process of registration is completed on the scheduled date and time. The checklist of all required documents has been made available on URL, that is onlineregistration.ani.nic.in, On 24th November, Shamkund declared containment zone and some of the portion of Bakultala came as under the containment zone. In this regard, the Assistant Commissioner Middle Andaman discussed with the all shopkeeper that after 7 days some relaxation will be given in the containment zone. Now let's have a look at the weather report. Today's maximum and minimum temperature recorded were 28.8 degrees Celsius and 23.1 degrees Celsius respectively. Humidity 91%. Rainfall 0.2 millimeter with light rainfall likely to occur over Port Blair area. And that's all for today. Thank you. Good night.